Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another magical Christmas market walking tour. Today, my heart is fluttering with excitement because we are wandering through the enchanting town of Obernai, France, a place that feels as though it was plucked straight from the pages of a winter fairy tale. Everywhere I look, I'm reminded why I fell in love with the Alsace region during this season. Each little village seems to wrap itself in a shimmering blanket of holiday spirit, as if Christmas here isn't just a celebration, but a way of breathing. The air itself feels softer, sweeter, and somehow full of possibility, like it's whispering stories of childhood wonder and memories we haven't made yet. As I make my way down Rue du Marquet, the cobblestone street that leads toward the central square, I can already feel the magic tugging at me. The buildings on either side, those beautiful half-timbered houses with their wooden beams and charming shutters, look as if they've dressed up for the occasion. Garlands drape between windows, twinkling softly like strings of wishes whispered into the night, and little wreaths hang proudly on doors, each one unique. Each one offering its own quiet greeting. I always walk a little slower here. As I am getting closer to the central square, I find myself holding my breath without even realizing it, because I already know with that sweet little childlike certainty that the Christmas tree here will be beautiful. I picture it in my mind before I even see it, imagining it standing tall and proud, shimmering in the night. And my goodness, it's even more magical than I expected. Standing right in the heart of the square is the most breathtaking Christmas tree, rising confidently into the night like a guardian of winter joy. It's towering, full, and lush, with branches that seem to stretch outward as though inviting everyone around it to step a little closer and share a moment of wonder. The tree is wrapped in an ocean of warm golden fairy lights that twinkle against the darkness like tiny stars caught in its branches. Every flicker feels alive, soft, warm, and deeply comforting, the kind of light that makes you feel safe and enchanted all at once. Red ornaments are scattered throughout its branches, glowing like little rubies in the firelight, adding this perfect touch of color and nostalgia. And above it all, the garlands stretched across the square form a delicate glowing crown overhead, gently swaying and framing the scene as if the night sky itself decided to lean in for a closer look. Behind the tree, Obernai's charming buildings watch over the square, especially that tall, elegant clock tower rising proudly with its pointed spire and soft illumination. It feels like the tree and the tower are sharing the moment together, standing side by side in this cozy celebration. The whole scene feels like a living postcard, one of those images you wish you could tuck into your coat pocket and keep forever. Now that I've soaked in the magic of that breathtaking tree, I feel this little spark inside me, that irresistible urge to wander, to let myself get beautifully lost among the stalls of the Christmas fair. As always, I will let you enjoy the market in peace. How did you like the fair? I know it isn't one of the biggest Christmas markets out there, but for me, that's part of its charm. It's small in the sweetest way, intimate, cozy, inviting. If you ask me, it's beautifully done like a pocket-sized winter wonderland. Now it's time for me to wander through the streets of the town itself to see just how deeply this Christmas glow spreads beyond the fair. And almost immediately, I realize Obernai is not just festive, it's enchanting. The decorations don't stop at the market. They bloom across the whole town like sparkling vines. And the more I walk, the more I feel this wonderful sensation, as if I've slipped right into a fairy tale without noticing. The lights shimmer softly, like they're whispering old Christmas stories into the night. Obernai truly exceeded my expectations. I came here hoping for magic, but I found something that feels even sweeter. A town that doesn't just decorate for Christmas, but lives it with every window, every garland, every little sparkle. I really love this view. There's something so special about the way the Alsatian-style houses glow under the Christmas lights at night. The atmosphere here is incredible. Lights stretch across the street in elegant garlands, cascading like glowing waterfalls through the night. Their warm, honey-colored shine reflects off the windows, creating tiny glimmers that dance playfully each time someone passes by. So before I say goodbye, I want to thank every single one of you who stayed until the very end of this walk. Your presence means so much more than you know. If you enjoyed this cozy journey through Obernai, don't forget to subscribe so you can join me on many more magical strolls. Until then, I'm sending you a warm hug and I'll see you in the next video.